It smells so good. No, that's so sweet. I don't know what that says. Tara wants boxes too. I can get boxes. Send you a box. Why so much powder? Oh, because it's good. More powder the better. I think anyway. Oh, this is so good. Aw, Terry, you're so sweet. It's usually saved product and little treats and surprises here and there. No, you didn't. What are you apologizing for? Girl, you know I like doing things like that. Yeah. Sugar Plum is doing really good. She is officially out of school. No cheer. We are done with everything until the 3rd of January, I think is when we go back. Happy holidays, Snoopy. I love your name. I was the other time to come in. I'm glad it's relaxing for them. But yes, she's there to start cheer back on the 3rd. Isn't that lovely? I mean, in their defense, we do leave January 26th for Disney, so. Yeah, she is. She went out to my niece's, and so she'll be out there until Wednesday, and then she'll come home. Come home for a few days, and then go back out there, I'm sure. Knowing her. I'm honestly surprised she's not been in here. Thank you, Ivy. Let's do some gold. Yeah, this is so thick. January 8th, North Carolina. That'll be fun. It just sucks. It's right here at the holidays. They're new products. Use it to clean or use it in other combos. I feel you, Tara. We leave January 26th for nationals. And then in April, we go to Washington. Okay, hang on. And then over the summer, Addie will go to the beach with her cheer team. And then we are planning on going to Hawaii at some point. Yeah, this is so good. Hang on, let me check something real quick. Okay. Oh yeah. That would, bless you. I feel so bad for the people that are, I mean, thankfully you still have some freedom, but some people don't. Yeah, and then amongst like our traveling, you know, I have all my medical issues. Washington, D.C. It's 8th grade, her 8th grade, they go to Washington, D.C. Every year. Yeah. So it's pretty flexible, like as far as like your times that you have to do it. You don't have to do it at the same time every day. Yeah, no, we went over there several years ago for mine and Mike's anniversary. Okay, good. Oh, this is so good. One I'm not impressed with. Like it's gold shimmery and it's pretty. I don't know if it really shows to y'all. Maybe it does there. Hi, cat. I'm really surprised at how blue this is with the comet. It looks like snot, yeah. I bet it does. I'm not impressed with that one. Hey, B. Yeah, the soft blue is really pretty. You want to eat it? That is everything that has been sent for. I went and bought 6 of them today. I haven't made any purple tidy bowl though. I need to do that. Yeah, one-time meal, yeah. here in the my little caddy. We can add her in. She is $2, babe. There she is. Ooh, there's a lot. So, and then my brother travels with his wife to go see her family. And my mom and dad both live. Then Christmas Day, we will have our Christmas here, and then we'll go next door. And then we go to my mom's on Christmas, the day after Christmas.